Alright guys, here's part 2, and we do have the throttle all set up. Had to finagle a few things. I do have to say that this throttle was kind of a pain in the butt to get these on, I have to say. You really have to finagle them a little bit. Did get it plugged in, got the software up, trying to test. Yes, that is a Black Hawk button switch there I added as well for some extra functionality. I still do have my Warthog stick. Soon I will be moving the F16 Winwing stick over, and that's my button box. I'll probably be getting rid of that soon. It does come in handy though. Alright, so anyway, this baby's lit up. Nice rolling. Fits really well. Looks nice. Nice and solid. And in the off position, so everything's looking good. One thing I did not know this had, which 2 hidden buttons in the back. If you look right here, there's a button here and a button here, so you get a little extra off this. Very surprised. Not only that, but your UHF VHF actually pushes in. Your manual range and uncage pushes in, which I was a little surprised about. But yeah, everything's nice, snappy, and the system on the computer is reading everything. So yes, this is an active arming lever. Does work, and so does my ejection seat. Anyway, hopefully we can get part 3 running here pretty soon. I'll get the stick put on and we'll get it going on the simulator for DCS. So that's all for now. Stay tuned for part 3.